Construction Visa Subsidy Program in Australia 2024. Australia announces the Construction Visa Subsidy Program 2024 to help fill the construction labour gap. Skilled tradespeople are invited to apply, with roles in building infrastructure projects. In construction jobs, you need to build houses, roads, bridges, towers, buildings, etc. The program seeks electricians, architects, surveyors, bricklayers, engineers among others. Western Australian employers are particularly interested in these skill sets. The initiative offers a host of benefits, including grants, visa application fee coverage, agent fees, and relocation costs. The program will provide grant payments of up to $10,000 to support skilled migration visa pathways for workers. It covers all their expenses in Australia like visa fee, agent fees, and travel costs. This initiative is backed by the Western Australian government, supporting skilled migration. Only CVSP employers will sponsor applicants for one of these visas, 482, 494, or 186, as skilled workers. The sponsored CVSP employee must have an office in Western Australia and be constructing a building there. Visas must be granted by the WA State Nominated Migration Program, SNMP. The following visa subclasses are 190 or 491. Visas are granted through the WA State Nominated Migration Program, specifically subclass 190 or 491. Interested parties register through the Western Australia registration form. Registered details are then published on the Migrant Employer Register, making them accessible to prospective employers. Western Australian employers hire only those foreign workers who have trained in one of these fields. Project Builder, Construction Project Manager, Architect, Surveyor, Civil Engineer, Structural Engineer, Construction Estimator, Building Associate, Architectural Draftsperson, Civil Engineering Draftsperson, Joiner, Painting Trades Worker, Roof Tiler, Air Conditioning and Mechanical Services Plumber, Steel Fixer, Gasfitter, Electrician, Lift Mechanic, Interior Decorator, Contract Administrator, Cabler, Data and Telecommunications, Carpenter and Joiner, Bricklayer, Maintenance Planner, Plumbing Inspector, Civil Engineering Technician. For more information and to apply, visit our website, mentioned in the description below.